So hi friends, in this video we will see how to use subject and behavior subject of RxJS in Angular. Subject and behavior subject are basically the observables and it can be used to emit a certain value to the different components. It's also work like a event emitter. So whenever subject and behavior subject value will be changed, it will be reflect on the different component. But the component must be subscribed this observable first, then it will be reflected on these components. So let's check. Basically, this is a service file test service.ts, and inside this class we declare the new subject of type number and assign to the subject variable. And same like subject, we also create a new behavior subject of type number, but main difference is in the behavior subject we have to initialize a value, and but in the subject we have to nothing initialize any value. So we have subject and so we have behavior subject both. And inside constructor we have set interval loop, and for every 1 second you can see we have 1 second here. For every 1 second this code will be execute and it will be update the subject and behavior subject value by one every second. So we have next method for each observable subject and behavior subject, it will update the values. So whenever a component subscribe to the subject and behavior subject, this will automatically updated on the component. So let's check inside app component.ts file. So first we have to import the service. Here we import the service, you can see, and inside component class we declare an array of type number, and also on the top of the page we import change detector ref. We will use this later in the code from angular/code. And inside constructor we declare a private variable service and change for the change detector ref. And inside constructor we use service variable, and service variable have subject observables, and we subscribe to that observables. This subject will be get from the service, and this subject can subscribe, and whenever this subject value will be changed, it will emits the response, and this will be pushed inside array. And then we call the change dot detect changes to identify the changes for the UI. And in the UI we bind using ng for array data like this. So this is the basic code for the subject and behavior subject. Also we can use here behavior subject, we can use behavior subject also, the flow will be same. One difference is in behavior subject we have to initialize a value. So let's check on browser. You can see it's already opened and it will automatically incremented. So let's refresh the page to check again. You can see it's automatically incremented 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the example of behavior subject and behavior subject. Hope you like this. Please like the channel, subscribe the video. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, sorry. Thank you.